Community isn't just who we serve, it's part of who we are.
Hawaiian Electric has a lot of community outreach programs, helping to restore fish ponds, helping to work in Lo'i, and it's great to be out there with my kids.
So the volunteering that I've done is through Special Olympics. We would do a lot of different sports. It's near and dear to our heart.
I coach sports a lot, giving back to the community and giving those same experiences that I was fortunate to have growing up.
For me, I'm just so grateful to work for a company that is committed to serving the community.
Restoring power, making sure that people have electricity.
Being relied upon as the last line of defense before the equipment goes back in service. There's a lot of moving pieces, so communication is key, and being able to work together like that is very valuable.
We all have one common goal: to keep power on for the state of Hawaii.
Of and for Hawaii, our community. We are there. Learn more at hawaiianelectric.com/there for community.